Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Heartland Home Design. Today, we have a fantastic video in store for you. We will explore some of the most stunning kitchen backsplash style ideas. Whether you are planning a kitchen renovation or simply want to give your cooking space a fresh look, you have come to the right place. We will be showcasing a variety of beautiful kitchen backsplash tiles that will surely inspire you. So grab a notepad because you will want to take notes. Let's dive right in. Our kitchen's backsplash tile idea is a timeless classic. Subway tiles. These rectangular tiles are simple, yet they can create a clean, elegant look in any kitchen. They come in various colors, but white subway tiles are a popular choice, as you can see here. If you are looking to add a pop of color and personality to your kitchen, consider vibrant glass tiles. These tiles come in an array of bright and bold colors, and they can create a playful and energetic atmosphere in your cooking space. Mosaic tiles are another wonderful option. They can be customized to create intricate patterns, and they add a touch of artistry to your kitchen. Mosaics are perfect for those who want to make a bold statement with their backsplash. For a touch of natural elegance, you cannot go wrong with stone backsplash tiles. Whether it's marble, granite, or travertine, these stones bring a touch of luxury to your kitchen and provide a timeless and sophisticated look. Now, if you are going for a more rustic and cozy vibe, consider using reclaimed uh, wood tiles. These create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your kitchen and are perfect for farmhouse or a cottage style look. For those who appreciate the industrial aesthetic, metal tiles are a great choice. Uh, these come in various finish like stainless, copper, aluminium, adding a touch of modern and urban style to your kitchen. This paragraph is adding in video we add because this extra idea for you. The Arabesque pattern is another popular choice and it brings a touch of exotic charm to your kitchen. These intricate and curved tiles are often used in various colors to create a unique and eye-catching backsplash. And there you have it, Fox, a collection of stunning kitchen backsplash style idea to inspire your next home improvement project. Remember, your choice of backsplash tiles can transform the entire look and feel of your kitchen. From classic subway tiles to rustic wood and industrial metal, they are something for every style and taste. And as you know, we make a video for multiple ideas to help you to create, to collect idea from this video and create activity, creativity for your home decor. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more fantastic home improvement ideas. Feel free to comment below and let us know which backsplash style idea you love the most. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating.